Got little baby jumping out of the water here. Coming into about 12 o'clock now. Nice big group right out front of us.
This is a chicken liver.